Hello and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. Today we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Edouard. Tropical Depression 5 has formed in the Atlantic Ocean, and it has a cone saying that it will be a tropical storm in the next few hours, passing by Bermuda and then becoming post-tropical cyclone Monday. If you want to see my deep dive tropical cyclones, I will link it in the cards above. I will also link my 4th of July forecast in the cards above in case you didn't see that. So let's go in depth into Edouard, and that starts with the geocolor loop of Tropical Depression 5. You can see some good thunderstorm activity, and it does look like it's definitely developing. Right now, if we go back here, it is showing, let's actually go back here, it is showing speeds of 35 miles an hour, maximum sustained, central pressure is 1,009 millibars, and is moving east-northeast at 17 miles an hour. And now, let's go to the arrival time of winds with the 5-day wind speed probabilities. As you can see, much lower than you would have thought, and 2 spots. So I feel like either the cone or the wind speeds is off here, because if the cone is showing that this is going to be a tropical storm throughout this entire time, the chance of receiving tropical storm force winds 39 plus miles an hour should be higher. So it's definitely weird, but that is what the National Hurricane Center is showing for this storm. This is only advisory 1, so as the advisories come in, we'll get more and more detail. But if we go to the GFS model, we can see that the storm is right here, and the GFS shows this having a very slow time out there, but we're jumping 6 hours every time we click the button to press forward, so it's showing about the same track as the National Hurricane Center. Let's look at so this isn't showing it developing into a tropical cyclone. It's not. So then again, this model was updated about 3 hours before this got named Tropical Depression 5, so it's kind of a little bit out of date. And we also have this, which, let me get the model run. Yeah, it's the most recent forecast, which is really long ago, 8 p.m. last night. So we're looking at it right here. I really can't zoom in much further, just based on how weather.us runs, but it's really not showing anything either, so this has really come out of the blue. Jumping ahead every 6 hours here, I don't want to go through every one because that would take a long time, so I'm just trying to get some key aspects here. So I think it's right there. So yeah, they're both not showing this really becoming anything special, but the National Hurricane Center is forecasting this to become Tropical Storm Edouard in the next few hours. So that's definitely something that we gotta look out for. So then at this point it should be done. Yeah. So that's really all I wanted to show with Tropical Storm Edouard. Let me go back to the warning cone to finish up here. So Tropical Storm Edouard, currently Tropical Depression 5 in the Atlantic Ocean. You're gonna pass right by Bermuda as a tropical storm, and then go post-tropical cyclone late on Monday. At least according to the National Hurricane Center. According to the GFS and the European models, this isn't going to become a tropical storm at all. But those are both a little out of date, so take them with a little grain of salt. But that is our current update on Tropical Depression 5 and potential Tropical Storm Edouard.